In this video, I'll show you how to format your APA 7th Ed reference list using Microsoft Word. Highlight the entire list, go to the top of the Word ribbon, and click on the A to Z icon with the downward arrow, then click OK. This will alphabetize your list. Highlight the citation. Change the font to Times New Roman and set the font size to 12. Next, go to the Paragraph section in the Home tab and click the small diagonal arrow. Set both before and after spacing to 0, change the indentation to hanging using the special drop-down menu, then change the line spacing to double. Next, click OK. That's how you can format your APA 7th Ed reference list in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.